Welcome everybody. This is a little approach from as Indian model school. How we should tackle the children in developing their vocabulary. If you look at the world, you will find there are different techniques that has been adopted to develop the vocabulary of the toddlers. But here we have brought to you an interesting strategy through which you can teach your child in develop and develop their vocabs. It's called building vocabulary with the help of the rhyming words. So let us take an example. Cap. This particular word is very known to the children, known to the child, and with the help of this particular word, you can facilitate him in learning other words that are having same rhymes as like cap. So cap goes with gap, lap, map, nap, rap, sap, tap, yap. Here comes the second family. It calls bag. The child knows a bag very well. With the help of it, you can develop the family of the rhyming words like gag, hag, lag, nag, rag, sag, tag, wag. So a particular keyword is helping you to let your child learn the entire family of words like jam. Your child knows jam very well. He loves eating it. So with the help of this rhyme, you can go with cam, dam, ham, ram, tam, am. Okay. Next comes say bad. Your child obviously knows what is bad and what is good. So go with the rhyme again. Bad, cad, dad, had, lad, pad, sad, mad, tad, clad. Now going a little deeper in it. Say fan. Your child knows fan very well. Now you develop the vocabulary like an, can, ban, pan, ran, tan, van, swam. Now look into it very carefully. We have started with fan, 3-lettered word, and we are going into deeper in it, like overran, businessman, Batman, Superman. So this is the gradual way of building your kids' vocabulary. Okay, let's move into the next word. It's called bat. Using the rhyme of bat, you can teach your children like cat, fat, hat, lat, mat, pat, rat, sat, brat, chat, flat, fat, plat, prat, scat, spat, stat. Again coming here, swat, that, twat, word, diplomat, again a big word, diplomat, habitat, splat, sprat, squirt, format, like this, combat. Again, if you pick another word like eat, it goes like beat, feet, heat, meat, neat, neat, teeth, it finished, cheat, grit, sweet, sweat, trick, trait, defeat, a bit, and wait. Okay. Again, if you come with another word like oat, it comes with the rhyming family like boat, coat, dote, goat, moat, float, throat, the higher level of vocabulary. Nail, you go with nail, your kid knows nail very well. Nail, pale, male, snail, trail, frail, drail, braille, hail, like this. You are using the rhyme of the word to facilitate your child's vocabulary. Like your child knows ball very well. So develop his vocabulary with ball. Go with like this call, doll, tall, fall, hall, mall, wall, small, stall, install, enthal, recall, befall, overall. The words are getting bigger. Overall, several. Again, ready. The same sort of theory applies here. Fail, frail, hail, main, snail, like this bail. Coming into the next word, get, crate, great, plate, skate, slate, straight, wait, create, day, stay, trade, relay, today, hey, bay, gay, jay, may, pay. Like black, your kid knows black very well. Goes with the rhyme. Rack, sack, yak, crack, flack, knack, quack, slack, smack, snack, crack, whack, attack. This goes with the word A. Wherever the predominant vowel sound is A. So this is the first word.